hard to reach the freshest food high in the trees. But he's got a bigger problem. A newly evolved rival. Canada. At 11 meters long, she's more than twice the size of Brontosaurus. She's part of a new branch of plant-eating dinosaurs known as the sauropods. Famous for their long necks and huge bodies that are supported by 4 legs instead of just 2. These profound changes will help these giants become the largest animals to ever walk the earth. If mouse spondylus can't compete, it will be left behind. While the sauropods are on the rise,
there we are.
Another legend in the making is waiting in the wings. Caves like these are crawling with strange creatures. And one of them will give rise to some of the greatest dinosaurs in history. The tiny Heterodontosaurus.
Is there a reason why the air conditioning's on and the door's open?
No idea.
What makes him exceptional is hard to spot at first. One thing is clear, however. He's not one to back down from a challenge. Especially when there's food at stake. It's all about the food. He may only weigh as much as a chihuahua, but he does have a superpower. An incredibly strong beak and jaw.
Alright, so remember Eden Zero? That Netflix series that only had 1 season, and the second season was never shown in English dub. What is up with that? I thought this was supposed to be an action show. What changed? Well, this guy's name is Shiki Grandbell, and he has multiple forms. This is one of them.
Because they no longer rule the Jurassic swamps.
Zoom out.
They have been usurped by those they once hunted on Bacteria's shores. Dinosaurs. Dilophosaurus. She's twice the length of a polar bear. And
Here is one of the hands.
focused hunter.
Now let's draw the other hand.
But in these
In his overdrive
blood
form, he's mostly shirtless, and the pants are a bit haywire-like.
there are creatures even more frightening than her. Endless forests and massive spondylus once roamed are now a parched wasteland. The plants they relied on for food are nearly all gone. Many of his kind have died from starvation. And the rhino is the final nail in the coffin for Massospondylus. Their 17-million-year existence brought to a tragic end. Eventually, other dinosaurs will rise to take their place. In that time, Earth's two continents will drift even further apart, creating a fragmented world with new lands for the dinosaurs to conquer. It's more than 20 million years since the fall of Massa Spondylus. And here in the mountains of what will one day be China, the climate has cooled. Life is flourishing. And a revolution is taking place. Within these cold dawn forests, something is stirring. Sauropods, the great four-legged dinosaurs.
There we are.
Mamenchisaurus, a giant of the Jurassic. Nearly 40 million years after their ancestor Protagonist made its monumental rise, Mamenchisaurus is now so gigantic that just standing up is a mammoth task. They have the longest necks of any animal in history that can reach as high as a 5-story building. And they're not the only giants that live in this forest. The trees are reaching ever greater heights as well to avoid being completely consumed by these towering beasts. But there's a catch to being this tall. A 15-meter long neck can only support a tiny head. That houses a brain smaller than an apple. The evolutionary focus on size over smarts will help the sauropods become the most dominant herbivores of the Jurassic Age. But they're not the only ones in this forest who are moving up in the world. Anchiornis. Yes, it looks a bit like a chicken. the size of one, but he's nevertheless a dinosaur. A dinosaur with feathers and newly evolved wings.
Drawing in the wires takes a long time, but I managed to pull it off, especially when it comes to the fingers. One of the eyes is painted black, and the other eye is regular with a red spot.
Another dinosaur.
Sorry I can't place in any music. Copyright issues, and it messes with the viewer's stature. Please understand. It's fine. There we are, fans. That's him. Shiki Grandbell. Overdrive form. Level 2.
Are next to useless on the ground. But that doesn't mean he's confined to the ground.
Done.